Introducing the boAt Extend Smartwatch. It is available in variant colors with deep blue, olive green, pitch black and sandy cream. It has a round dial with the big square color LCD. Its complete capacitive and responsive touch interface serves as an effortless control. The size of the screen display is 1.69 inches. Its special features ensure its strong durability. It comes with a lithium-ion battery. It offers 7 days of battery life, which depends on the usage. It helps to track the heart rate 24/7 automatically and the blood oxygen levels. It also features guided meditative breathing. The daily activity tracker records the daily steps taken, total calories burned and distance covered. It also tracks the 14 active sports modes. It has multiple watch face up to 50 with customizable option to match the OOTD. It stays updated with the notification of the calls and messages. It has an automatic screen brightness that adjusts brightness accordingly. It's featured with dust, splash and sweat resistant. It keeps the watch safe under a depth of 50 meters for 30 minutes since it's 5 ATM water resistant. It includes the boAt Extend Smartwatch. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.